Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So on the Ethereum chart, we're still dealing with a scenario in which a fourth wave, which started in March at this high around the 12th of March at 4,100. It started then, A wave down, B wave up, where the price topped in May. And then obviously we had this C wave down, which could technically be complete. I wouldn't rule out one more low. It actually would look quite good with one more low. And the current move up is currently seen primarily as a corrective rally, but I definitely keep the door open for higher because we've reached the support zone. The price reacted and is trying to turn around, but so far price action looks a little bit like what happened here between the 24th of June and the 1st of July. So I'm not going to confirm further rising prices and a low in place until I see a first 5-wave move up on the smaller time frame. Okay, so what I need to see to confirm that this larger wave 4 has bottomed is very, very important. It's a wave 1, it's a wave 2, wave 3 that reaches minimally 3,210. Then I want to see a wave 4 and a wave 5. I need to see 5 waves, which ideally break above 3,308 USD. Okay, so I really need those 5 waves. Without those 5 waves, it can easily break down, make another low. And I'm skeptical about any turnaround, any sustained turnaround until I see those 5 waves. Doesn't mean it couldn't go up higher. Yeah, it could certainly also in the yellow wave count, which is this 4th wave corrective rally, could certainly go higher easily to the next resistances at 3,170, 3,210, or even 3,307. But if it's only a 3-wave corrective rally, I cannot confirm a low in place. If I have 5 waves, I have a first confirmation. That's the difference. Now, where were we yesterday? Not much really changed since yesterday. The yellow count is short-term bearish, and it allows for one more low. So we had for the yellow wave count a target zone here between $3,101 and $3,210. Yesterday, I think we were down here or so. When I made the video yesterday, somewhere around 3,060. And I highlighted to you, it seems likely we get another high because Bitcoin was also due another one. And that was the main reason. And it didn't look quite complete. Now it's pushed higher. We formed one more high. We tested again the 38.2 retracement, which is an ideal target for such a 4th wave corrective rally. And the 100% extension. So, I mean, the top could be in, but I need to see minimally now a break below the last low at 3,025 here, that intraday low basically. And then I need to see a break below the low before. So that was at 2,825. Or actually, the Monday low would be sufficient at 2,895. But yeah, I mean, at the moment, all we've seen is a rally into that target zone. An initial rejection, not enough to say that we have indeed topped. Just thinking, is there a trend line we could draw that could give us an additional indication? Nah, not really. It's not reliable. Too many breaks. Yeah, no, we'll take that out. But I mean, you might argue, it looks a little bit like a wedge pattern, maybe. Yeah, so it looks corrective to me. Could easily break down. Maybe a break below that trend line could be an indication that we are breaking down. The upside in yellow wave 4 is technically complete. Could easily go higher. But bear in mind, to really have a more bullish outlook, it needs to be a 5-wave move. Until we get those 5 waves up, I have no clear setup. Next support area could be given for this white wave 4 pullback. Same way as I provided a support zone here for that B wave pullback. But at the moment, these movements are too small. That's just sort of intraday volatility, grinding higher slowly with, however, even slight bearish divergences here on the 1-hour chart. So not much more to add. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.